In Kenya, a country steadily progressing towards its Vision 2030, education continues to play a central role in national transformation. Over the years, the government has made significant progress in strengthening learning through reforms such as the introduction of the competency-based curriculum, CBC. This new curriculum has brought a positive shift in education, focusing on practical skills, creativity, problem solving, and preparing learners for the demands of this 21st century. However, in many rural and marginalized communities, access to ICT resources remains limited, widening the digital divide between urban and rural learners. And this is where TechLabs Mashinani comes in. TechLabs Mashinani is a digital inclusion initiative designed to bridge this gap by bringing technology directly to undeserved communities. This mobile digital lab is a solar-powered ICT classroom equipped with laptops and reliable internet connectivity that enables learners and teachers to access digital tools, coding platforms, and global knowledge in real time. Complementing these are flexible and inclusive training tents designed to support community learning sessions and ensure accessibility for all. Through this model, over 270 teachers and school leaders have been trained and empowered with practical digital skills. More than 3,800 girls have been introduced and inspired into STEM learning. Thousands of pupils have engaged in ICT lessons, coding activities, and hands-on digital projects through school camps and boot camps. Beyond these numbers, there are real stories. We've seen transformation in schools like Machon Primary School, Kenewa Precious School in Baringo County, Kiboi Primary School in Elgeyo Marakwet, and Tugoin Primary School in Trans Nzoia County. But this is just to mention a few. We've seen learners create their very first lines of codes, teachers confidently using technology in their classrooms, and schools slowly transforming into digital learning spaces. From Uasin Gishu to Baringo to Elgeyo Marakwet to Trans Nzoia to Kakamega, TechLabs Mashinani is aiming to reach every county in Kenya and even beyond. And this is just the beginning. Looking ahead, TechLabs Mashinani continues to grow with a clear purpose, to reach even the deeper into the most rural and undeserved communities, ensuring that every child, teacher, and young person has access to the tools and skills needed to thrive in the digital world. Bridging the digital divide is not just access to technology. It is about opportunity. It's about equality. It is about ensuring that no learner is left behind as the world becomes more digital. Through TechLabs Mashinani, we are not just introducing technology to rural Kenya. We are shaping futures, unlocking potential, and building a generation ready for the digital age.
TechLabs Mashinani! Thank you, TechLabs Mashinani.